Want to maximize the return of investment on the electronic devices in your workplace? Follow these 3 easy steps. Store devices properly. Protect your devices in a safe steel cart, locker, or station. Sturdy dividers provide impact protection, and cable management features protect cables and ensure a proper charge each time. Charge devices safely. Eliminate potential safety hazards. Choose, store, and charge products that are UL certified. Ensure the highest quality safety for you and your organization, preventing fire, overheating, and device damage. Secure devices with care. Device security is paramount. Choose a charging solution constructed with American-sourced steel and a durable padlock locking system. Secured devices are stored, synced, provisioned, and ready when you need them. Maximize your investment with safely stored, charged, and secured devices.